Hello friends, welcome to our channel END. We are in the 7th part of our lecture, permutation. And the topic we are going to discuss is transposition. Transposition. It is a cycle of length 2. Now I will explain what is meant by cycle once again. I'll take a permutation A1 to AN in such a way that I can have anything here, A2, A3 to AN or A3, A2 to AN, whatever it might be, but the final AN is only mapped to A1. This is called cycle, and this is cycle of length n. For the cycle of length 2, only A1 and A2. Only two elements have to be here and no other elements have to be here. So let me take an example. F 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 is mapped to 2, 2 is mapped to 3 and 3 is mapped to 4, 4 is mapped to 1. Now I am going to write the shortcut form for this, and I have explained this already in my video and the link is provided in the description box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 followed by f of 1 and 2 followed by f of 2 and 3 is followed by f of 3 and 1 and 2 is f of 2, 2 is mapped to 3, that is this is 2 and this is f of 2. Then so I write the transposition of f to be first and the last. 1, 4, first and the previous last. 1, 3, first and 2. This is the transposition of f. So permutation. I am going to define permutation separate permutation in two ways. One is disjoint and the second is non-disjoint. First is disjoint and the second one is non-disjoint. I'll take this to be 1 and this to be 2. I'll take G. First I'll explain the disjoint. G to be 1, 2, 3 composition 4, 5, 6 and 8. You don't have to put this composition symbol here. If it is 1, 2, 3 bracket and one more bracket 4, 5, 6, 8. This is of course disjoint because there is no element common in these two brackets. In these two brackets there are 1, 2, 3. In this bracket is 4, 5, 6, 8. There is no element common here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Since the largest number here is 8, the permutation after composition is of length 8. It is of length 8. Okay, 1 is mapped to 2, 2 is mapped to 3, 3 is mapped to 1, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 8 and 8 is once again mapped to 4. And the remaining here, 4, 5, 6, there are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. Everything comes under my anti-mapping. That is 4 is mapped to 4 itself, 5 is mapped to 5, 6 is mapped to 6, 7 is mapped to 7, 8 is mapped to 8. Here the remaining is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 is mapped to 1 itself, 2 is mapped to 2, 3 is mapped to 3, 7 is mapped to 7 itself. Some doubt in other topics, please leave it in the comment box so that I can make it clear in my next video. So you don't have to put these things because it might consume time. And I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is mapped to 4 and 4 is mapped to 4. 6 is mapped to 8 and 8 is not here, so it is identity mapping. So 8 is mapped to 8 itself. And of course I left 7. 7 is mapped to 7. 7 is mapped to 7 because 7 is not here, 7 is not here. So it means it's an identity mapping. 5 is mapped to 6 because 5 is not here. So it is identity mapping. I mean 6 is not here, it means identity mapping. 4 is mapped to 5. And 3 is mapped to 1 and 3 is not here. So 2 is not here. So 2 is mapped to 2. 2 is mapped to 3. 1 is mapped to 1, 1 is mapped to 2. So if you write the short form for this, 1, 2, 3, 1 is mapped to 2, 2 is mapped to 3, 3 is again mapped to 1. So 4, 5 and I separate this because this is over. So 4 is mapped to 5, 5 is mapped to 6, 6 is mapped to 8 and 8 is mapped to 4 and 7 is identity here. So when you multiply the composition of disjoint permutation, you get the disjoint permutation, means same permutation. I mean you don't have to write 4 here, I'm sorry. So these two are the same. So you don't have to do this process when it comes to disjoint permutation. Only when it comes to disjoint permutation, and non-disjoint permutation differs. So the transposition of this is 1 and 3, first and the previous last, 4 and 8, 4, 6 and 4, 5. Now we will go for non-disjoint permutation. In non-disjoint permutation, I'll take F to be 1, 4, 3 and 2, 3, 4. Of course, we are going to do composition mapping here. I mean composition here, and I'm not going to do once again all these composition. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to just write the final answer. You can refer it. You will get the composition as this, and 1 is mapped to 4, 4 is mapped to 2, 2 is mapped to 1 here, and I'm not going to write 3 because 3 is an identity mapping. If you have seen it in the non-disjoint permutation, the answer for this and this differs. So when it comes to non-disjoint permutation, you just have to do composition, and when it comes to disjoint permutation, you don't have to do this permutation, I mean composition process. So this is 1, 2, first and the last, first and the previous last, 1, 4.